Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Prudential pension account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Prudential Pension Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to provide a user ID and your password. And if you're a new user, you can click on this button to register for a new account. Once you have created your account, go ahead and enter your user ID. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you will be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.